Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. For that you want to find your SIM card slot, and on this phone it's on the bottom, see here, and then you take a SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip to open the SIM card slot, and this is what it looks like. And then you take your SIM card and you see here this little edge, you have the same on the SIM card here. So this is what it looks like, and now we're gonna put it back in the phone. Make sure it's closed. And then if you try to unlock your phone, we're gonna put in our SIM pin, and then we need to unlock our phone. So you can see comes to here, that's your provider, and you see that you have a signal. So you can now send SMS or make calls. So that's how you put in a SIM card to your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.